In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a subscribe link for your Mailchimp email campaigns, a crucial tool for growing your audience directly from your Mailchimp account. This process, though it might seem complex at first glance, can be straightforward with the right guidance. Let's start this journey by logging into your Mailchimp account. If this is your first time or you've been logged out, you'll need to navigate to the Mailchimp login page. Enter your username or email into the appropriate field followed by your password. Once these credentials are correctly inputted, click on the login button to access your Mailchimp dashboard. Now that you're logged into your account, direct yourself to the Mailchimp homepage. This will serve as your starting point for creating anything within Mailchimp, but today our focus is on generating a subscribe link. On this homepage, look for the Create button, usually located on the upper portion of the interface, and give it a click. This action opens up a world of creation possibilities, but our path leads us to designing an email. Upon clicking on Create, you'll be prompted to choose what type of creation you're aiming for. Since our goal is to create a subscribe link, select Design Email. This leads us to the next crucial step, choosing a layout for our email. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll pick a basic layout. It's essential to select a layout that matches your needs, but the basic layout provides us with the simplicity and flexibility we're looking for. Once you've selected a basic layout by clicking on Apply, it's time to add content to your email template. Drag a paragraph block into your file from the content options available. This is where you can type or paste the content you want to include in your email, but there's a twist. Instead of proceeding as you normally would, highlight the word unsubscribe. Although it might seem counterintuitive in a video about generating a subscribe link, this step is foundational for what comes next. After highlighting unsubscribe, click on the highlight option to make it stand out. Then click on the link button. This is where the magic happens. Instead of linking to an unsubscribe page, you'll paste the URL for your subscribe link in this field. This step might seem a bit unconventional, but it's a creative workaround to embed your subscribe link directly into your email content. So, where does one find this subscribe link? Typically, it's generated when you set up your email list within Mailchimp and designed to be shared on social media or your website. However, by embedding it into an email, you can leverage your current audience to grow your subscriber base. Perhaps they'll share your email content, including the subscribe link, extending your reach. Remember, the effectiveness of this method relies not just on the technical steps taken, but also on the content surrounding your subscribe link. Make it compelling. Perhaps explain the benefits of subscribing to your emails, or offer a preview of the value you aim to provide through your newsletters. The goal is to entice readers into not only staying subscribed themselves, but also sharing your content with others who might be interested in subscribing too. This method of generating and sharing a subscribe link directly through an email might not be the most conventional approach, but it's a creative strategy that can enhance your email marketing efforts. It's all about making subscribing as easy as possible for potential subscribers and using every tool in your arsenal to grow your audience. As we wrap up this tutorial, it's essential to remember the power of simplicity and creativity in email marketing. By taking somewhat indirect paths like transforming an unsubscribed word into a subscribe opportunity, you can find new ways to connect with and expand your audience. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on how to get a Mailchimp subscribe link. Remember, every step in email marketing, no matter how small it seems, contributes to your broader goal of audience engagement and growth. Happy emailing!